In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a particular country in Cloudflare. The process is straightforward and will guide you through each step to ensure you can follow along easily. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Cloudflare website and log into your account. If you haven't already set up an account, take a moment to create one. Once you're on the login page, you can click on Continue with Google for a quick sign-in option, which will prompt you to choose your Google account if you have multiple profiles. Select the appropriate account and you'll be logged into your Cloudflare dashboard. Now that you're logged in, go to your domain settings. You'll find a list of domains associated with your account. Select the domain where you want to block traffic from a specific country. Once you've clicked on your domain, the next steps will occur on the security panel. Navigate to the security tab on your Cloudflare dashboard. This section houses a variety of tools designed to protect your domain from unwanted traffic and threats. Among these tools, you'll find the Web Application Firewall, or WAF. Click on the WAF option to proceed. This feature is crucial as it allows you to create specific rules that dictate how incoming traffic is handled by your domain. Once in the WAF section, you'll notice the Custom Rules option. Clicking on Custom Rules will bring up a space where you can tailor rules specific to your needs. Here you want to select Create Rule. At this point, you will need to give your rule a distinct name that you can easily identify later. This could be something like Block Country. Next, go to the Field drop-down menu. This menu allows you to specify the type of traffic you want to filter. In this case, choose country from the list. By selecting country, Cloudflare knows you want to apply the rule based on the origin countries of incoming requests. Now, move to the value section. Here you choose the specific country you wish to block from accessing your domain. Cloudflare provides a list of countries, so select the one you intend to restrict. Once the country is chosen, the final decision is under Choose Action. Here you will select Block, telling Cloudflare to reject all requests originating from the selected country. Before finishing, make sure to click on Deploy. This action saves and activates the rule, making it live and ensuring that traffic from your chosen country is blocked effectively. With that, navigate over to your DNS settings. Click on DNS and make sure everything is as expected. From there, select Records, and you might want to import and export records if needed for backup purposes. Finally, ensure that the setting is on DNS only to streamline the process. And there you go, you have successfully set up a rule to block a specific country from accessing your site through Cloudflare. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.